Hey guys, this is Malavika and today I'm going to explain to you all about how to get a letter of recommendation that stands out amongst the crowd. Now, before we get into how to get the perfect letter of recommendation, let's first understand what are the different types of letter of recommendation and what is an LOR in the first place. So first off, a letter of recommendation is a document that gives the admissions officer valuable insight about you and helps determine whether you are a suitable candidate for the university or not. Generally, an LOR portrays your experience, achievements, contribution, and skills that you possess in order to give a favorable picture about you. Now, there are different types of recommendation letters, them being 1. Academic LORs and 2. Professional LORs. An academic LOR is a letter of recommendation provided by a faculty member of your previous institute. Universities generally require you to provide at least 2 to 3 academic LORs from your previous institute. A few tips to remember when you write an academic LOR are that it is generally advisable to get LORs from teachers of your core subjects, such as history or science or maths, and not from people who are not directly associated to your field. You should also approach teachers who know you are best and not necessarily teachers in subjects you score the highest. And lastly, you should try getting LORs from a wide spectrum of subjects. For example, try getting one from your history teacher as well as your science teacher. This shows the diversity that could get you into the university you're applying to. On the other hand, a professional LOR is a letter of recommendation written from an immediate supervisor. Generally, most MBA universities abroad have predefined work experience requirements. Therefore, these universities generally value professional LORs. Another good letter of recommendation could be LORs from NGOs that you have worked at. Generally, universities give a lot of weight to students with LORs from NGOs as it shows qualities such as social contribution, something that they definitely look for. So that's about it. For any more questions about how to get an LOR to study abroad, comment down below and we'll solve all your doubts. For more information on letter of recommendation, there's a blog with a link in the description below. And for any further queries, please feel free to reach out to us at iSchoolConnect. You can contact us with the link in the description or call us. We are totally cool that way. Until next time, see ya!